Hey friends, who's hungry? Need a quick and easy fish dinner idea for those busy weeknights? Look no further than these pan-seared catfish fillets. Heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large oven-proof or cast iron skillet over medium heat. While the oil is heating, combine 2 teaspoons of ground oregano and half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, ground black pepper, onion powder, ground cumin, and salt. Sprinkle the fish on both sides with the spice mixture. Add the catfish fillets to the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side. You may need to work in batches if you don't have a skillet large enough. Remove the skillet from the heat and pour 1 ounce of lime juice over the top. Sprinkle the top of each fillet with 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese. Adjust an oven rack to the top third of the oven and broil the fish for about 1 minute until the cheese is melted and starting to brown. Remove the fish from the oven and allow the fillets to sit for 2 minutes. Follow me for more Southern cooking.